Make a great choice today with the 2024 Transit-350. The Transit-350 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.